In the kitchen with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. She's got something dangerous today. These are little caramel rounds. These are the bane of my existence when it comes to candy. I love these little caramels.
I had never found them before, and I thought, wouldn't these be great in cookies?
Yes, in everything.
So that's what we're going to do.
And you didn't bring raisins today. Thank you very much.
I did not.
Yes.
But I did give a tip that in the off season, if you can't find these little caramel bits, then you could use butterscotch morsels in this recipe instead. Okay, so we are making pumpkin caramel cookies.
As I say.
Yes, yes. Okay. We have in 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of margarine.
Okay.
And our tip was to be sure when you're getting your margarine to pick the package that has the higher oil content. This had 80% oil.
Okay.
So now you're going to add our egg.
Today.
Yeah. You're going to add the egg, and we're going to mix that in. I'm going to use this. And Denisha, while I'm mixing that, you're going to blend our dry ingredients, and we have the soy flour blend, and put that in there. And you've got a, do you have a whisk there?
You
can use this.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and mix that in. And then would you add the pumpkin there?
I'd be happy to add the pumpkin, Charlene. Teamwork.
Teamwork, yes, we will.
How do you do these at home all by yourself?
I don't know. I need you in my kitchen.
Well, just call me anytime. I'll come.
Okay.
And then I'll actually eat afterwards.
All right, and now you're going to add, I'm going to change to my spoon here.
Okay.
But you can add that. We won't forget that this time.
There we go.
And would you add the vanilla? We'll go ahead and add
Charlene,
that.
since you asked so nicely, I'd be happy to help out. You're always too kind.
And then I'll let you add our caramel bits, and that is one 11-ounce
I know.
packet.
Okay, now that you're doing it, okay. Now we can proceed.
I think they're okay.
Okay, ready?
How is that? Isn't that
throw it all in there,
All of them? Okay, here we go.
Time's running. Clock is ticking.
So one of the tips that I'll give with making this is that when you bake this at 350 degrees for about 13 to 15 minutes until it kind of gets brown around the edges, take them out of the oven, and then I like to let them set for about 10 minutes on my baking sheet, because that lets that caramel set back up into your cookie. Then take it out and put it on your cooling rack. And then we have a caramel frosting and a little bit of honey roasted soy nuts that we chop to put on there for a finishing touch. This makes 4 dozen. So what I've got today are 2 desserts that will serve a whole bunch of people.
Or a few hungry people.
Or a few hungry people.
Ideally served for serving size purposes. We'll just be very clear because, this recipe's online and the one we did earlier, too.
It is at kansassoybeans.org.
And you're going to be back from midday in Kansas. What pumpkin stuff are we whipping up then?
We are doing these skillet rolls. I just love them. They're pumpkin rolls that you bake in your iron skillet.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Charlene. We'll be right back.